All right, and we're back. Today's video, we're going to be installing those soft lowers that I got the deal on off of eBay. Next week, we're supposed to be down into the mid to upper 50s for highs. So, as soon as we get, when we can go for breakfast and stuff, that means it's going to equate probably into the upper 30s, low 40s when we leave in the morning. So I want to get these soft lowers on as soon as possible. Obviously, keep my legs a little bit warmer. So this should not take long. These are relatively easy. The only thing I did have to do was take the screw that holds this cover on. I pulled that Willie G skull finally that was here. So I got that sitting over here. And I had to take the screw out of the bottom that holds this radiator cover on because it has to go around the frame, the soft lower. So it goes around the frame here, I guess in between the radiator, the oil cooler, and the frame itself. So we're going to see what we have to do, but these shouldn't be that hard. Okay, for anybody interested, this is the actual part number. If I can get it close enough there, you guys can see it. So that's for currently 18 to 2023 Softails. All right, and these are universal. They fit all of those bikes. So basically all we're going to do is you slide this on, and then this goes around the frame. If we can get it in here, hopefully. Get a spot that I can get it in. Because with that chrome piece still on there, that cover, it makes it a little harder to try to see where we have to go in between. So I'm going to see if I can get this carefully here. There we go. Sneak my hand in. And then this way, that can go around the frame. So you can see how it goes here and behind. And then what I'll do, I'll just put the screw and the washers back in to draw that back up tight. Just makes for a pain in the backside, which means I'm going to end up having to pull it back off in the spring in order to get the damn thing off. So, but for right now, that's how it loops around the frame. Okay, so that way you can see what we're doing here. Let me see if I can zoom in on that for you. Come on, there we go. So what you have here is this tab, Velcro here, and then you have this locking tab, which hopefully you guys can see, this piece here. So what you do is you push this in like so, and then you pull it as tight as you can, like so. And once that's done, then you pull this locking tab over, and then you use the Velcro piece here, and this comes over the top to lock it into place. So once you have that done, then you have these snaps that are on the they're like sewn inside and outside, and then you snap them together, and that way it keeps it nice and tight around the engine guard. So another thing I like about them too is if I want to put highway pegs on, okay, you have right here these zippers. So if you already have highway pegs, you can run them right through there and then zip it down on them. So the idea here is I just have to make sure we get these all snapped in place. And without seeing them to line them up, it's like you can't see them because there's nothing on the front side. So we're like kind of trying to guess where the snap is. There we go. There's that one. Got this one here now. Get it to snap. We'll be in business. There we go. One more. All right. So that side is on. And I mean, that's all there is to it. Like I said, it's not hard. On and off is easy. The only thing I don't like about these compared to the touring covers actually have pockets in, which is, to me, pretty nice. So, unfortunately, the Softail ones don't have the pockets. All right, we're going to move to the other side now. Get the other side on. Okay, that ain't what I want. What is this thing doing? Thing's got a mind of its own. All right, let me back that back out. Let's get this other side out. We'll get the other side on. And same thing, we're going to slide it on, loop it through. And there you can see again, exact same part number. So, and then what we'll do is, this goes like this. I just want to make sure my big head's not in the shot. Same thing. Now we just got to loop this through. This through the frame here. And then we don't want to, supposedly you got to come in between the clutch, in between the clutch cable. Come on. There it goes. Okay. Now we got it. Loop that through there. I don't see why it's not really interfering with the clutch. I think once I pull this tight, it doesn't look like it's going to interfere with the clutch cable. So I'm just going to try this first, and then we'll see what we got. If it looks like it's going to interfere, then I'll move stuff around. But it certainly does not look like it. Unless maybe they're calling it a possibility, but not for certain. Okay. Get this back here. And same thing, we're going to lash that side down. And then push the Velcro over the top. And then it's just a matter of snapping them. Yeah, that's not interfering with the clutch. Clutch cable. I don't know why they would have you move the clutch cable, possibly, or come around behind it. I don't understand, so. But that's them. That's, you know, maybe different models, which doesn't make sense because all the soft tail ones are basically the same here. So, come on. Okay. And that's it. So that's on. And that's how they look. Let me move back over here. You can see from the front how they offer, you know, they offer a lot of leg protection, because where your legs are out here, even though there's a gap here, a little bit of air can get to the frame, into the engine, I mean. So let's come back around here, and you see it's the same thing. So it's looped around the frame. Why they want, it's not interfering with the clutch cable, so I have no idea. It's not, you can see there, it's not interfering with it. It comes around it nicely, so. But that's locked into place, everything's snapped, zippers are all zipped, and it's ready to go. So again, all I have to do is put the screw back in that guard, which I'll do now. You guys don't need to see that because, you know, if you don't have the guard, you don't, it's not necessary for you to see what the heck's going on here. All right, with that said, again, thanks for watching. Hopefully these videos help you guys out. If they do, you know, please hit like. Don't forget to subscribe. And hopefully, you know, if it did help you out, leave me a comment. It would greatly be appreciated. All right, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.